Tech Tip Thursday. I had a request for logins for the Converge and the Vector. So I've got a Converge and I've got a Vector, and they are the same logins. So if we need to go into service, hit our top button, service, service, maybe service, and then we are 6702, enter, and that'll take you into service. If you don't belong in here, you probably shouldn't be in here. However, from a service perspective, this gives you a handful of things that you can work with to verify that your oven is in good working condition. You do gain a couple additional things when you do this on the Converge, and those help quite a lot. If you need to get into settings on this one is currently unlocked. If you need it to use a password, it's 123456. Hope this helps you out. Have a great day, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.